Hey loves, in today's video I'll be showing you this super quick and easy candy corn themed Halloween nail art. For the candy corn design on the thumbnail, I'm starting at the base of the nail and applying a layer of the Broadway Nails High Shine Nail Polish in the shade Banana Smoothie. For the orange in the middle, I'm applying another Broadway Nails polish in the shade Sunflower. And I'm taking another Broadway Nails polish in the shade Snow White to paint the tip of the nail. After going over my candy corn design with another layer of each polish, I'm now adding the LA Colors Color Last polish in the shade Opal White for a nice shimmery finish. For the index finger, I'm applying 2 coats of a shimmering yellow polish from the Townley Girl Emoji Nail Polish Collection. Starting at the base of the nail, I'm going to fade down this really pretty silver glitter polish by LA Colors in the shade Sparkling Diamond. I'm replicating the same design on the middle and pinky nails. For the middle finger, I am using that Broadway Nails orange polish in the shade Sunflower. Moving on to the polka dot design on the ring fingernail, I'm first applying 2 coats of the Broadway Nails polish in the shade Snow White as a base. To apply the dots, I'll be using the Amour US No. 2 dotting tool. Here's a close-up of what the 2 ends look like. I will be using the smaller side. To make the set more cohesive, I wanted to tie in the silver glitter on this nail. So I'm going in with the Broadway Nails nail polish in the shade Queen of Everything. It's a really pretty metallic silver. For the orange and yellow dots, I'll be using the same 2 Broadway Nails polishes that I used to create the candy corn design. And lastly, on the pinky nail, I'm applying 2 coats of the Broadway Nails Snow White nail polish and fading that Sparkling Diamond polish by LA Colors, starting at the base of the nail and working my way down. To seal in my nail art designs, I went over each nail with a coat of the LA Colors Rapid Dry top coat. I had a lot of fun creating this candy corn themed nail art. This is the first time I've done something like this for Halloween, and I think it came out so pretty. All of the products that I used will be down below in the description. Have you done anything special with your nails for Halloween? Let me know down below in the comments, and until next time, bye loves!